I'm so excited about this basket for grilling vegetables. It's 2 different sizes. There's a large and a small. I'm going to be grilling some vegetables on my barbecue tonight. I just got this in. I want to thank the brand for sending it to me to try out. I have always resisted trying to cook vegetables on the grill because I always lose them all. They always fall through, so I'm pretty excited about trying these baskets. So each comes with 2 handles, and you just screw them bottom like that. Actually, I think I'm going to be using this big one. So we're going to get that ready, and then just going to keep putting these. Maybe we should do it in 2 batches. This is a great gift for the griller in your life who thinks they already have everything. For camping trips, backyard cookouts, and any outdoor cooking situation where small foods and grill grates have historically not gotten along, this basket is the fix. Thanks for watching.